There's Peaches and Tess in their new home. They're all moved in and getting familiar with their new surroundings. They look like a couple of real happy dragons. Bearded dragons, that is. A couple of real happy dragons in their new home. Peaches! Yeah, look over here, Peaches! Look over here! Say hi, Peaches! Oh yeah, they're happy. I love the new digs. Oh yeah. And they do have a nice, spacious new home. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah. Two very happy dragons. Oh yeah.